Alright, what's up you guys? I ordered a nibbi carb from muttgrom. I ordered an air filter, air intake. It just came in like 5 minutes ago. I was trying to record, but I hit stop when I was screwing the air filter on because it's a 40mm air filter intake. But the part number is KL48WT. I was afraid that this wasn't going to tighten up, but it tightened up pretty good. I don't see any leaks going around here. The intake here, the intake here, over here on muttgrom, it's a little smaller. This is off the SSR TR motor. So that was a 28mm intake. I'm just going to go ahead and ratchet this tight real quick. See if this tightens down. Oh, I can tow the bike with that. No. But alright, this is stock. This is stock main jet or slow jet. Stock main jet. Now we got an exhaust. Hopefully that'll work. I remember 3 years ago, Moto Cheese bought one, and he was saying that the Mikuni was better, but I was getting like bogging issues with the Mikuni, and I didn't have any. My Mikuni was probably a fake one because it didn't come with any jets. Oh, and then a cool thing, holy cow, look at that. It says, man, I really want to turn my carburetor around because I just don't want the front tire just, oh, that's really close to the front tire. That looks so redonkulous. Holy cow, muttgrom, you got an intake on you. Oh man, you got an intake on you now. He got some new ears too. You guys can check out these new ears. So I gotta tighten these down and adjust this up. But alright, let's go ahead and I gotta shut down my Dino Coin Miner on my phone because that's also my speedo. And then oh yeah, I wanted to tighten that bolt down, see if I can find another bolt for muttgrom to go right there. Actually, that'd be fine, just to hold that on. I mean, I do have an 8mm wrench. We can see if that'll tighten down, but I believe that I should just order the right bolt because I don't want to strip that hole out. Oh no. No! Alright, I gotta remove the refrigerator to get my doggone wrench back. It just left me. And actually, I have some, look at that, some Allen head bolts. No way to cut. No, it don't match at all. Well, like I said, you're muttgrom, dude. You're okay. Alright, let's get you guys outside. Now try not to stop the video. Alright. Just turned the fuel on. Man, let's just get a look at muttgrom now with his new little stickers and his new intake and his new mirrors. I still got to tighten down those mirrors. I haven't tightened them down yet. But let's go ahead and hop on this source. On this source. Let's hop on this pony. Yeah, we are in neutral. Should probably turn the choke on, huh? Alright, I know there's no fuel in it, but oh, it would help right there. Electric start on. That's a lot of air sucking through there. The needle's in the middle too. I haven't adjusted the throttle or the cable or nothing like that. It's just not idling. Alright, let's try and start it without choke.
Sounds nice. Might have to play with the jet and the tuning, but alright, let's see if we can see if I can do this all one-handed. Yeah, if I do this like that. I'm gonna pause you guys and then I don't know which way to turn it though. Well, letting it run. So we are right there. Should mark this with a pin. We can go a little bit like that. I don't know if that was. I don't know if that was in or out. Set you guys on the dash here. Alright, so I got it to idle. What I did was, oops, I turned it in the way I was going. That might be a little too high. Idling at like 3,000s. See if we can lower that down just a tad bit. No. All right there. Now we haven't touched the fuel screws here, still set the way it is. I don't know if you guys can see that line there with the paint. My camera was to zoom and focus on it and not on the grass. I like that idle. It's the choke off. Choke's off. No black smoke. Oh, there we go. It's idling up now. That's erratic right there. That's a little high. That just sounds like it needs. Sounds like it needs a slow jet to be going down. Probably needs like a smaller slow jet. We'll try to idle it down a little bit. Oh, it's got like a little bit of a bog to it. It's just all stock jet. Let's just see if it rolls on its own. I'm not really off the clutch. I'm off the clutch. You know, it's idling good, but we don't know what the mid-range is or anything, so. Max, get over here. It's idling good in second gear. Let me go ahead and try and turn real quick and hold my phone in my other hand. All right, here we go. Phone switcheroo. That's full. Yeah, that's full throttle. Second gear. not really a lot of throttle response like right here. Going to first. Yeah, it needs some adjustments. All right, I'm gonna pause, take it down the street real quick, get Max in the house, and like, share, subscribe, you guys. Peace and love. God bless, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Just let it die right there like that. That's fine.